Hello and welcome to JavaScript Programming Language course for beginners. This is an introduction to JavaScript course. Here you'll see the source and reference for this video. I hope you'll be able to follow along this JavaScript course. The prerequisites for this course are the following: Sublime Text Editor and a web browser. As you watch this video, please bear in mind about our ESLRs. And these are right thought, right communication, right attitude, right conduct, and right lifestyle. Now let's proceed to our lesson. Section 7. JavaScript and HTML Forms. Lesson 7.6 Checkboxes. The final function we need is for the checkbox. You can have one or more checkboxes on a form. We only have one, so checking it is fairly straightforward. If you have more than checkbox though, you do the testing in exactly the same way as for radio buttons. The if statement just tests the terms HTML element, a checkbox. For a value of checked, if it has been checked, then we can return a value of true. As the user has agreed to the terms and conditions, if the checkbox has not been checked, the value will be undefined, and we can return a value of false. For a complete list of codes and classwork in this lesson, please check Google Classroom. Thank you.